Welcome to my review of Assemble, a website builder designed for flexibility and ease of use. Assemble is a versatile platform that aims to provide powerful tools to both beginners and experienced users. Let's dive right into its interface. The first thing you'll notice when you open Assemble is its sleek, modern design. The layout is clean, and the navigation feels intuitive. Upon creating an account, you're immediately presented with a dashboard where you can start building your site. You can choose from a range of templates, from simple personal blogs to more complex business websites. The templates are fully customizable, which is great if you want to add your personal touch or brand identity. What stands out about Assemble is its drag-and-drop editor, which allows you to make real-time changes to your website without needing any coding knowledge. You can add text, images, videos, and more with ease. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. One of the key features of Assemble is its mobile optimization. Every site you create automatically adjusts for mobile and tablet use, which is essential in today's mobile-first world. It's reassuring to know that the mobile version of your site will look just as polished as the desktop version, without needing additional tweaks. As for the customization options, Assemble provides a wide array of design elements. You can easily modify colors, fonts, and layouts. Plus, the advanced settings allow for more detailed control, such as adding custom CSS if you're comfortable with coding. For those who prefer simplicity, the pre-built sections and blocks are a lifesaver. Assemble also offers integrations with various third-party tools like Google Analytics, email marketing platforms, and social media plugins, which make it easier to grow your online presence and track performance. When it comes to pricing, Assemble offers a few different plans, depending on the features you need. There's a free tier available for those who just want to try things out, and then several premium plans for users who need advanced functionality and support. Overall, Assemble is a solid choice for anyone looking to create a professional website quickly and easily. The platform is packed with useful features, and its flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of users, from beginners to advanced designers. However, the platform is not perfect. There are a few areas where it could improve, especially in terms of customer support response time. If you're looking for a website builder that balances ease of use with customization, Assemble is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth website builder reviews. Thanks for watching.